Hello everybody, and welcome to the weekly overview with the Dada's trading system. Now, the weekly overview. Let me tell you about some changes. Okay. Let's just do it the simple way. Um, uh, on Friday nights, I am taking part in this live show that's taking place on a different channel on Discord. It's Street Epistemology channel, and that's why. That live show usually starts around 10 p.m. UTC +2, so that's Central European Summer Time, and it usually lasts about 2 hours, or maybe it can even go on longer, or at least the post show is is a bit longer. So that's why I don't have the ability to record the Friday daily recap. So I've decided to reformulate my formula a little bit, and starting this week and starting this video right now, I decided to make it a rule that I will be making the daily recaps from Monday till Thursday included, and then on Saturday I will be doing the weekly overview. So then on the weekly overview I will be analyzing the whole week and showing the trades from the whole week, including the Friday trades. And another change that I'm planning to do is about the Sunday with Dada's Trading System videos. The Sunday with Dada's Trading System videos are basically videos that uh, can last anything from 2 to even 4 hours. And basically they are a presentation of my Dada's Trading System, and of course they are pretty educational, and they pretty much show a lot about my system. Now, some of my patrons have been complaining that they aren't really getting much special content. Well, there is special content, but they've already seen it. So this would require for me to create some other special content, which, there isn't very much many ideas left to talk about. So basically, I've decided to make the Sunday videos available only to my patrons or my supporters who decide to support me either through Patreon or through the PayPal, right? Through my PayPal. Of course, the links are below in the descriptions. So I will be reorganizing a little bit and moving the Sunday videos to the area available only to my patrons and my supporters. So those who have the VIP role. Of course, those who already have my system are also will be treated as VIPs. Okay. Okay. Or maybe not. I'll think about it. Okay. Anyways, as far as the weekly overview on the DAX 30, of course, we can see here the weekly Dada's pivot. That's also denominates the week. And here on the bottom, we see the monthly Dada's pivot. And basically, that's what the price on the DAX 30 index did this week. So basically, in the beginning of the week, initially it started going up. So the Dada's weekly pivot in the beginning became the support on Monday, and after break of the support, retest, defense, and then the price went up. Well, with some pullbacks, but it went up, made a weekly high, and then started going down, right? Well, systematically, like the price does with pullbacks. On Tuesday, there was a reaction of the price to the support level. One more retest, and then another one, and then a break of this support, and support becomes resistance now. Of course, we see that the price went down, reached some kind of a low, and then started going up, pulling back, and retested this weekly pivot. And only after the retest and retest, breakthrough, retest, that's where the price decided to. That's where the whole action happened. That the defense of the resistance, right? And the price started going down. On Thursday, there was the strongest movement of the week, and also the strongest range of the week, almost 400 pips. It was 396.6 or 0.7. So almost 400 pips, and that was a pretty significant move. We see that the price retested the monthly DADAS pivot, broke through it, went down, found the lowest price of the week, and started building the lower wick. So it came back up, broke through the resistance, and now the resistance became support again. And the price on that's still Thursday, and on Friday we see it pulled up, retested this level again, and pulled up again. We can see like an upside down head and shoulders formation right here. Well, not only right here, right? And the price starts going up. And it starts going up and ends at a pretty nice 248 pips daily range on Friday. So maybe it didn't recover the whole Thursday, but quite almost. I don't know, 70%, maybe 75, whatever, maybe more. So yeah, from the low right here to over here, that's what I'm talking about, right? So you can see. So that's what happened. So we can now look at the weekly candle. So basically the weekly candle ended up as a bearish candle. However, it's an inside bar, so harami type candle, with a long lower wick and a shorter higher wick. However, the high was higher than the previous week. Does that mean that the price is going to continue up? Very probable. Anyways, let's look at my trading. So let's not like this, I have to zoom it in. Okay, let's take a look at my trading during the week. So Monday seemed to be pretty clear. Well, maybe not really so very clear, but yeah, but we were at the support level. That's why I decided to go long and not short. Of course, I wasn't necessarily thinking of the price going all the way up there. I was only thinking of a retest right here, because, well, we don't really know if the price is going to continue in the trend, or is it going to just retest and turn around. So anyways, I went long right here, and I got out of it the way I usually do, at 11.5 pips. even though the price later on did reach my take profit level. So basically, even the take profit level like this was reached. So basically, there was more to be made right here. Of course, it all depends on the character of the trader. I am this type of trader. I'm sorry. You can be better than me. You can hold it out. Yeah. And that's the only trade I made on Monday. Of course, the market did continue up. So basically, there could have been at least one other possibility. Like for example, there was a trade like this, right? A possible trade, a possible long trade here, right? So taking this level right here as a breakout level, we get a breakout. So somewhere right here would have been a good entry. Of course, knowing me, I would have taken something like 11 or whatever pips I would get, and not wait for my take profit. But somebody can do it, right? And now, could we also have gone short? Well, really, I don't know. I mean, if I were to look at this situation from this perspective, then I would have to think that uh, a short trade would have been after the break of this level, and then basically we get our take profit a little bit in a nasty situation. So basically, this risk to reward is absolutely the other way around. So no, no, no. I mean, looking at it from this perspective, right? Mm, anyways, that's it for the Monday. Now, what happened on the Tuesday? Well, on the Tuesday, the price went down on the Asian session, but there was a strong reaction to the support right here, right? So Dada's weekly pivot support in this situation. So that's why I decided to go long right here. And there are two things right here. The first thing right here, I was doing something with the Renko charts, trying to see something, and I had very small, 1 pip Renko bricks, and I moved my break-even plus very quickly, and it got taken out very quickly too. So that's why this trade was so small. But then there was another price action right here that suggested that perhaps the market would be continuing up, and that's why I re-entered the long. Then what happened? Unfortunately, the market started stalling. So the price started trading, around in circles. That's why I got out of it, and that was a very good decision. So basically, it is true that if I wanted to play or trade long, I should have traded long from here. So basically, it would have it would have to require the price to break out, come back, and then show that direction. So this wasn't a very good idea actually trade long in these places. Okay, then the next possible short would have been right there. So basically, the price doesn't want to go up, right? Breaks down, and yeah, you see, this would have been a good trade, but unfortunately, I wasn't certain right here. So then the market just moved away quickly. I decided to wait, and I waited it out all the way until there was some support right here, and the price started moving up. That's why I jumped in it, and I took 10 pips right here. Okay, all fine. Yeah. Now the price is going. I think this is gonna be yeah, Monday, Tuesday, so this is Wednesday now, right here. And the Wednesday was still a good day. I mean, but you know, I made more trades, but I got them all positive, so I didn't lose any trade. But again, these trades, I wouldn't say these trades are very good. I mean, the thinking right here was that the daily range is low. There is the price looks like it's breaking out. Yeah, it's breaking through the resistance. So I thought to myself, well, looks like long. So I went long, but then the market stopped. I got out, right? And I did the right thing because actually the market respected the resistance and then started moving down. Now this trade right here, this short for 5.6 pips, not a very good idea because it's like a runaway train. The only thing was that I saw the reaction of the price and I thought to myself, well, it looks like they're continuing, or it looks like they're going on, so I jumped in. But then it didn't really look too well, that's why I jumped out. Anyways, 5.6 pips. And then they turned around and started going up. And again, I jumped in. I wasn't too certain. I jumped out. Jumped in again. Wasn't too certain. Jumped out. Anyways, we can see that both this take profit level and this take profit level was taken later on. So yeah, that's the way I am. Wednesday wasn't a very good day in the sense of volatility and daily range. It was the lowest day of the week, right? Only 115 pips. And yeah, and then came the Thursday, right? So when I came to work and opened up my computers and stuff, the price was already in a pretty big distance, right? In pretty big daily range, and exceeding the averages. Why did I get in short right here? Well, that's because of this price action. That's because of the a little bit similar to right here. Yeah, I was counting, or at least the market was behaving in such a way that it looked like it was going to go through the support and make the support resistance. And basically, I kind of was planning to get in a little bit higher, but yeah, the price just managed to jump away. So I was able to get in right here. Anyways, I closed at about this 16.59 pips. Okay, now did the market continue? Yes, it did. Did it reach my take profit? Yes, it did, of course. Right. Yeah, but anyways, I was aware that somewhere around this area there could have been a support, some kind of a support. I didn't check it on the H4 or anything. I might have been looking on these mini charts right here. Anyways, the price action right here and the consecutive price action was pretty telling. In other words, like this. So the price action pretty much suggested that the market wants to go up or is going to go up. That's why I got in here. But again, it started going up, but then all of a sudden died out and I decided to get out. And we can see that the market made a pullback and then decided to go. Now here where my problems start for this week. I get in long right here because the market obviously is showing long, right? I mean, we got higher highs, higher lows, a breakout. I get in long, but all of a sudden the price starts running away. So the price starts running away. I think to myself, okay, I got about 30 pips. I got about 30 pips loss, so I need about 3 pips to recover, right? 3 pips at 10 to recover, so I turn around. I quickly close the position, turn around, and I'm lucky to get 5 pips. That means I recover with a surplus. Yeah. But then I look, the market, the volatility, the ATRs, they drop right here. And we can see the difference, right? Difference in the candle sizes all of a sudden. But what I see right now is that the price is respecting the pivot, the monthly pivot, monthly Dadas pivot, as support, and it's slowly going up. And that's something that often happens on the DAX index. And it often happens that when it goes up like that, it just goes up until the end of the day, and it sometimes makes a pretty significant pippage, right? So price distance. That's why I get in long right here, and all of a sudden the price turns around, and this movement right here was pretty violent. So I think to myself, I gotta turn myself around. So I turned myself around at 10. Because again, I need about 3.3 pips to recover. Unfortunately, that doesn't happen. What happens is that the price immediately goes in the other direction. And again, off of the support. So at this moment, I have no other option but to turn around at 100, which I can do. I can do much more right here. Well, I still can do more than 100 here. On this account. So I turn around, and now I also need about 3 pips to recover the other losses. And exactly that's what happens. I get 3 pips, I recover the losses. I don't remember whether it was exactly with a surplus, but I think, yeah, altogether, I am, let's say, back on tracks. Okay. And then comes Friday, the one that I didn't do the daily recap for. And basically what we see on Friday is that now we have 2 support levels. So we have the Dadas daily pivot, Dadas monthly pivot. The price during the Asian session breaks out in the bullish direction, retests the daily pivot, retests the monthly pivot, breaks back up. So again, there is a kind of a reversed head and shoulders pattern. This level, the Dadas daily pivot is treated as support. Once, twice, the price jumps out, makes a pullback, and shows that it wants to go up. I go in long. For a little moment, the price goes down. Anyways, my stop loss is safe, and the price starts going up. Here, the situation is like this. I had more profit at this moment. Over 10 pips. I was trying to close the position. For some reason, it didn't want to close. And then when it closed, it was already 977 pips and not not over 10 pips. Anyways, yeah. So I stopped trading for a moment. I say, okay, I take a break. And then I wait till the end of the day, so I kind of think to myself, okay, let the price reach the highest level of the day, and then I'll see what happens on the pullback. There is a signal, so I think to myself, okay, I will wait a little bit more, see what the price does. And it pretty much looked like the price would be going down. That's why I entered short at one lot. But unfortunately, the price turned around and started going up. This time I thought to myself, especially that again, the ATRs right here, they dropped very significantly, even below 10 pips at some moment. I decided that there's only one thing to do right here. Since I lost 25 pips at one lot, I gotta turn around at 100 lots, because then I need, literally I need 0.25 pips, right, to recover. I get 0.72 pips. So that's, if you add two zeros right here, you're gonna have 7,200, and this is 2,553 points. So I made some profit. I did it deliberately. At the end of the day, I knew that that was my last trade for the day. And that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's it for the week. This is the weekly overview of the Dadas Daily Dadas Trading System. Of course, like I say, my ideal assumptions of the Dadas Trading System is not exactly like this. It's like this, right? So this is the this is the breakthrough. This is the breakout level, right? And I'll have to adjust where the stop loss. And basically, the idea is that when the price breaks out, retests, and wants to go in the direction, that's where we get in. And basically, we should be waiting all the way up there. Of course, if somebody can do it, if somebody has the patience, then they will be having much better results than I'm having. Yeah. So that's it. So please like, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post my videos on the YouTube channel. I post my videos on my Dadas Trading Room Discord server, and the link is below in the descriptions. You can join me anytime. I stream live. I'm in Europe, right? I'm in Europe, in Poland, and I stream from around 10-11 a.m. That is UTC +2, at least at the moment still. And I stream all the way until 11 p.m. UTC +2. So that's when you can join me, except for Fridays, because on Fridays the DAX 30 market closes at 10 p.m. and there is no reopening until Monday, of course. Well, basically it's not Monday, it's still Sunday, but yeah, okay, that's how it works. So you can join me there. You are free to interact with me. I stream my screen live, so all the trades that I'm talking about right here, you could see traded live. Of course, we can talk, we can chat, we can do it by voice, we can do it by text. It's up to you. You are sincerely invited. The other place where I post my videos is my Forex Factory threads. I have 3 threads, but the main one is the day trading, price action and day trading by Dadas. And that's a thread that I started in 2013, so it's already over 7 years, close to 8 years. And there's a lot of history there, and there's a lot of theory there, so you can just go and read. And of course, at this moment I'm just posting the videos. And like I said, I will be now a little bit changing the formula. I will be doing the daily recaps from Monday till Thursday included. Friday will be a break, and I will be doing the weekly overviews on Saturdays. As far as the Sunday movies, I will be doing them only for my patrons. So because I also post my videos on my Patreon, and you can either join the Patreon channel, my Patreon channel, become my supporter there, or you can support me directly through PayPal. The links are below in the descriptions, and that's when you get the VIP role on my Dada's Trading Room Discord server. Now, like I said, the Sunday videos will be available for my VIPs, not VAPs, but VIPs. Yeah, that's the way it's gonna happen right now. So thanks a lot for staying with me. Please wear your masks, wash your hands, be careful, and see you next time. Bye.